Hey everyone, just wanted to go ahead and share some progress in my recovery journey. So we're at week 6, day 5, and my physical therapy sessions have actually become more intense. I was also able to visit Hawk Park for a light game of pickleball, watch the dinking. So let's go ahead and dive into the details. So after weeks have progressed, so has the intensity of my physical therapy. And these exercises are more challenging, and each session actually pushes me beyond my comfort zone. But these challenges are also fueling my recovery. Now, the highlight of my week was visiting Hawk Park and being able to dink on the pickleball court. Now, those who don't play pickleball know that dinking is a soft shot in pickleball, and it might seem like a small feat, but for me, it was a huge accomplishment, and it felt great to be back on the court. Now, this experience reminded me of the importance of setting realistic goals and celebrating every achievement, no matter how small. It's about enjoying the journey as much as the destination. I want to take a moment to thank everyone for their unwavering support and words of encouragement throughout my recovery journey. Your messages, your calls, and your visits have all been a constant source of motivation and strength. And knowing that I have a community cheering me on has really made all the difference in the world. So, as I continue my recovery journey, I'm really excited about the progress I'm making and the milestones yet to come. So, thank you all for being a part of this journey with me. Your support means the world to me, and together we'll continue to navigate the challenges and celebrate the victories. So stay strong, motivated, and supportive in your own journeys.